And now we're burning down the house again. What's up, super tubers? Say hi, Janae. Say hi. What's wrong? You don't want to say hi?
She's reading a newspaper.
I'll read my new book that I have.
What book is it? On how to make cotton candy the right way?
This is how you make cotton candy. You just...
She's saying cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Now you can get it. You have candy and cotton candy.
Got it! Got it!
And you have cotton candy.
So we're gonna attempt to actually make good cotton candy this time. We kind of played with it for a little bit.
The book's done.
But
Make
we're
sure
gonna...
to watch the last video because that is how to not make cotton candy.
Exactly.
And right now is to make cotton candy with candy.
Candy?
Yeah, cotton candy.
But isn't it
Hard
already
candy.
candy? Hey, I have a question for you guys. What flavor is cotton candy?
Mostly all flavors.
Because you have blue raspberry
No,
cotton candy. You have
I know.
strawberry cotton
She
candy.
knows.
So it's blue, pink, and yellow.
No, yes, I know. But what flavor is cotton candy? You know how there's candy that's flavored cotton candy?
Oh yeah.
What flavor is cotton candy?
So like
Probably. Like, are you trying to say like what is it made of?
No, like, you know when you get a candy or like ice cream and it's cotton candy flavor?
Yeah.
But isn't cotton candy flavor just different types of flavor?
Like, I guess
they
because like
make them up.
because the powder is obviously a flavor and it's cotton candy.
So their cotton candy doesn't have a flavor then? Or is it just sugar? Sugar flavor?
Well, obviously it's sugar that turns into a cloud.
Okay.
That's funny.
All right. Well, I think it's hot enough. So what we're gonna try to do is what we're gonna do last video. We're gonna use hard candy. We might need a hammer for this, though.
That.
There's a lot.
You got a lot to choose from, guys.
God, let me hit this back.
And this was a fail. I bought plastic bags because I thought the last video was gonna go so legit that we're gonna have cotton candy for days.
We're gonna do a cotton candy stand.
Yeah.
God, you know
And
what
Jomar's choice: Pop Rock cotton candy.
God, you know what's my favorite?
Thumbs up.
Guys,
Thumbs up if you like
you know what's my favorite candies?
What?
Those wing pops.
Those are not ring pops.
No. Like these and this and
You got-
Sour Patch.
All right. Do you guys want to try to make a mint cotton candy?
No, if you guys don't know what Pop Rocks, like when you put them in your mouth, they're like rocks, but like they're edible, and then when you open your mouth, you feel like bubbles, like popping.
Let's try it. Let's see, open one. Ew.
RSMS or what is it?
ASMR. Look.
Well, you can move your head.
No, the noise. Bite it.
No.
Your turn.
No.
Yes. You have to be
You're gonna feel like if you're gonna explode.
Come
No?
on. Don't be a weenie.
Has she ever had these?
I don't know.
No.
Have you ever had Pop Rocks?
You've
Janae?
never had Pop Rocks. Let's see. Let's try it.
You're gonna blow up. First time trying Pop Rocks. There's a purse for everything.
There you go. She liked them.
Hey, don't waste it. Let's put it in the machine. Oh, let us stop.
Let's do two
No,
packs.
try it spinning.
You can't try it spinning.
What's gonna
It's
happen?
just gonna launch everything.
Let's try it.
Well, let's try to get the actual video.
Oh.
I did not expect that.
Is that supposed to be happening?
Well, they're Pop Rocks.
Duh.
2 flavors?
Yeah, no, let's do this one, tropical.
Dude, that was insane.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Alright, let's see what happens.
How to not make cotton candy part 2.
How to not make cotton candy first, dude.
Okay, maybe.
Okay, no, let's just go.
I'm gonna try.
Let's do this.
Give me.
Because we got good at this.
Oh, do that?
No,
and then put the.
We got really good at this. Let's just try to do this.
I don't think you can use Pop Rocks by themselves because
You should put one of these.
right
first,
away
then-
when they get liquid, they start to pop. So you probably have to mix it with something.
Let's just show them that we can do the regular one now. Because we
Oh, do
practiced
the
all
Why?
night.
You guys don't believe us? They don't
We
believe
practiced
us, bro.
all night.
They don't believe us. I have footage of us practicing.
Go.
Let's go.
Look at you.
Hey, any fairs in town that want to hire me?
Aw.
Oh.
You should be in a
Too
circus.
soon.
It looks like a banana. It looks like a blue.
Why does
banana.
it twist?
I don't know. And now what happened?
Hey, eat
It's
it.
burnt.
Wait.
It looks like a blue banana.
Wait, what happened now? I don't know this machine's not that big.
This machine's trash.
Oh, no.
Jomar.
Oh, it's literally trash. Like they got it from the trash can.
No, we didn't.
So I'm not measuring anymore, as you can tell.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait.
Keep going, Jesse.
That's a lot of cotton candy.
Nice, mom.
Wait, I need to show my mom. Is that pretty?
Yeah, good job. This is peppermint cotton candy trial 1. Let's go. Oh, it already melted. Damn, this thing's really hot then.
Hurry, it's starting to form.
More sad.
You just love sugar.
Alright, so far this thing's false advertisement.
Look, that's
So supposedly, Jolly Ranchers are supposed to be really good for this.
Why does it get completely stuck down there?
I
Look.
think we're failing at this again. We just can't make cotton candy.
I mean, we can at least taste it.
Oh, you aren't gonna.
Let's just stick to powder.
Alright, so we know Jolly Rancher doesn't work.
Why though?
Pop Rocks doesn't work.
Skittles.
So let's try Skittles. Maybe Skittles will work.
Give me that. Then you are not doing
Press it.
Ready? Oh god.
Is this a successful cotton candy?
Guys,
Janae, look at it. Jomar, come look at it.
Look,
I really want.
It looks like a.
a turkey.
No, it looks like.
Turkey leg. Shrek?
No, it looks like a cotton swab.
Oh, yeah.
A dirty cotton swab.
I wanna taste it.
Oh my god.
So I guess because it's chewy, it's making it not so fluffy. Right?
I don't know. But it
Some drama, guys.
reminds me of Shrek.
The turkey legs? Oh, the earwax?
No.
What?
When Fiona grabs the web with some sticks
Oh.
and they eat the web.
Oh
Is this done? Wow! Cotton candy out of Skittles. Skittles. Can I take a bite?
Mm-hmm.
Can I take a bite?
Finally, let's see how it tastes. Oh, that.
It's sticky. Can I try?
It's good.
Really?
Okay, let me try first.
It tastes like you're eating a Skittle. I mean, it's not. It's not the
Wait,
same.
taste it, baby.
It's not exactly the same texture as a regular cotton candy,
Yeah, it doesn't look fluff.
but it's actually good. Maybe the other candies will work now. Maybe it was just because it was dirty. You wanna try some these? What is it? Strawberry?
That's really chewy, though.
Hey, these were chewy and they worked.
It's true.
This is what mom wanted to do.
It's not that bad.
know, Dad.
Right.
We never go. I'll bet you don't like
Give me,
that.
Janae, can you give me a spoon? Oh, never mind. I got it. So this is a cotton candy I made. Turn it off, Janae.
What the heck is that? Wait,
Here.
what is this candy?
It's a cotton candy.
I mean, like, this is Skittles?
It's everything mixed into one.
It's like bacon right here.
It looks like a blob. It's kind of hot. You probably shouldn't
like
try it
bacon.
actually.
It looks good.
It's pretty hot. We should probably let it harden.
More jelly beans.
Re-
You guys are so disgusting.
Is it really hot?
Yeah.
Janae, you need to stop eating candy.
In the videos?
What?
In the videos?
No, you need to stop eating candy in general.
So I'm just gonna pack this up and throw it in the trash can. It's making me more mad than anything. All right. So
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, Mama, 10 being the best thing we've ever done.
Eyebrow.
What do you give it?
Eyebrow, what?
What do you give it?
I give it a 0.
I give it 159.
why? Cause you got all this candy? Well. All right. I guess we're gonna dub it.
That was fun.
We're gonna dub it as we don't know how to make cotton candy. Because we already tried it twice and we thought we had it, but it didn't work. And now we're burning down the house again. All right. On that note, peace out. Check out our YouTubes. Please subscribe. Please subscribe if you don't want to see us make cotton candy.
Dude, this, we have to delete this footage right now. Like, right now. We're not editing it. Sorry.
No, we don't delete footage.
Give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel if you want to.
What the?
Jenny Monster.
And we have a special shout out
Here.
for one of Jamar's little buddies. He wanted us
Record this.
he wanted us to give him a shout out.
I can record this.
So he wrote us like 2 little letters. So this is for Gil Roblox 12. Say hi to Gil.
Hi, Gil.
A friend and a fan. That's his note. Cool.
It's so cute.
And then he gave us a little quiz for Jamar.
Okay, let's read it. Which channel has more subs? Super Jomar Tube or Super J Fam?
So which channel has more subscriptions? Jamar?
I don't know.
I think Jomar Tube.
Yep,
Yeah,
Super
Jamar.
Jamar Tube has more subscribes, which we haven't really been uploading there, but we'll probably start uploading more videos on there too. More of Jamar building Legos and stuff like that. All right, who is in charge of the videos, mom or dad?
Dad.
Dad.
The last one, do you do gaming?
Yup.
Yep, we just started on the gaming journey. Where Jomar, get over here. We're trying to figure out how to get better content for gaming. So that's, you know, softwares and playing around with all that stuff. So, you want to say thanks to Gil?
Yeah.
Thanks, Gil.
Thanks, Gil.
Thanks for being
Appreciate it.
Thanks for being a friend and a fan, Gil. We appreciate that. Keep watching our videos, like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Peace.
Peace out. Peace out.